Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. If 6a equal to 2b equal to 14, then 36ab will be. So let's start with 36ab. This can be written as 6a multiplied by 2b multiplied by 3. And since 6a equal to 2b equal to 14, we have 14 multiplied by 14 multiplied by 3. Since 6a equal to 2b given us 14. So we have 14 square is 196. So 196 multiplied by 3. So we have 6 threes are 18. 9 threes are 27 plus 1 is 28. 3 ones are 3 plus 2 is 5. So the answer is 588. Answer is option A.